Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the Artistry Design District, This is their A1 floor plan. We're gonna now walk into the bedroom and take a look. Okay, this is a king bed and it's fitting in there. It's great. So you're gonna have space for a king bed in here. Huge windows, and you've got some really cute nightstand space in there too. You do have space also for just a gorgeous dresser, and it's just really pretty. Now this is facing the pool, so you've got some great views in there too. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is stunning. You've got a huge lighted mirror. Love that mirror. And then a really pretty tub in there, shower, just gorgeous. You walk into the closet. It's a good walk-in closet. It's got some good storage space in here. So really attractive closet. Hey, I'm going to walk back out here so you can see this, and just a really pretty good use of space. Like I said, it's about around 660 square feet. It seems bigger. It's just very well designed. If you have any questions about what you're seeing, or if you want to set up a tour, we can do that for you. We can take care of that for you for free. It's part of our 100% free service. We can do that over your iPhone. We can set up multiple heights apartments to do a tour all in one day. So send me a text, just say hi, and we'll take it from there.